In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. If you want to clean up your gallery app much faster, here's how to do it. First of all, you need to open an app called Gallery and decide if you wish to delete your photos from Photos or Albums category on the left. Let's start with Photos. Hold one you wanna get rid of. And to select multiple, you can either click on those icons at the top right corners of each section, or click on this one with a check mark at the top right corner of your screen. Now, to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from albums, click on Albums on the left. Then pick one, hold one of your photos, and use the same icon at the top right corner you used before. Tap on your photos you wanna keep, and get rid of the rest using Bin button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!